call the old man. Dad, run out of toilet paper!
James, I'm afraid that the mental postage stamp brain capacity mainstream disciples have decided to panic buy and strip all the shelves of toilet roll and other products. Wait there, James, I'll go and get something. Now, James, try that.
No, I can't use this. It's too hard. It's not absorbing at all. My buttocks is not going to accept it.
Try that. That's soft and absorbent.
Yeah, it might work. I don't know. I'll give it a go.
James, I have a cunning plan. Pull your trousers up. We need to get out on our bikes.
Right. Squidgy.
So, fear not, young whippersnapper. There's a plant in the forest, more like a weed. It's called Mullein. It's also known in America as COWBOYS toilet paper. Let's go and find some. So this plant is abundant throughout all of this forest and probably most other forests. And do you ever remember when you was a kid, far away from home, and you might have like a little cheeky poo in the bush? You'd always wipe your bum with leaves, wouldn't you? Well, I would.
We've only been cycling for a little while and we've already found some. My butt's going to be pleased.
Here it is, Mullein. So yeah, look how it's lovely and soft. It's velvety smooth. This grows into a big tall plant eventually with like yellow flowers on. Ooh. Now also the good thing about this is you can use the leaves to make a tea, and it's meant to be an excellent tonic for the lungs. So it double up as two good things during this crazy pandemic that we're having.
Let's get back now, Dad. My butt's starting to get itchy. It's starting to dry. Oh no.
So it's back to the house before James's pants get too crusty to wash. We don't want to be having that, especially if there's a shortage of washing liquid as well. Now we haven't really been to the shops because we've got everything we need here really, but we have noticed people saying even eggs are becoming a bit of a shortage in the shops, and we have been we're getting a lot of eggs. About 7 boxes, 8 boxes a day are going out here, and the eggs have been flying off the stall as well. But we're not going to be putting our prices up like other people have been, because that's just playing out of order really, isn't it? Playing on people's fear. How sick is that, eh? We're not that kind of people. So yeah, we've still got the eggs here, they're still the same price, and we're doing really well here. And I hope that all yous lot are going to stay safe, and all yous lot are going to do really well during this pandemic. Not that it's actually that bad at the moment, I don't feel. But and I do wish all of those who have got it, I wish them all the best of recovery and all that, and I want to send out love to all the families that are going through it as well. So that's it. That's the end of another video for us. I hope you found it a little bit entertaining.
It's pretty soft. Very absorbent as well.
James, you're meant to do the cheek softness test before you wipe.
Oh.
Thanks for watching everyone. Take care and we'll see you real soon.
Bye!